Let's talk about a problem we all experience when we try to watch TV in a foreign language. We don't understand what we hear. It's probably one of the biggest things I struggled with when I first started learning English. I would turn on a show in English, I would start watching it, but then the problem was I could not recognize the words the actors were saying without turning on the subtitles. And for me at that time, it was a big problem because I thought that I was supposed to understand every single movie, every single TV show without any subtitles, because I had an opinion that using subtitles was a bad thing. Now I really think that subtitles can help you improve your listening skills. At least they really helped me. They really helped me start understanding more words in English, and I'm using the same approach right now while learning Spanish. So this video will be a reflection of my personal experience. All the shows and movies that I watched and all the different things that helped me improve my listening skills and my listening comprehension. So why was it so hard for me at the very beginning to understand TV and movies in English? And why is it hard for you guys? So I have discovered that the one thing that I struggle with the most is the speed and pronunciation, because native speakers talk extremely fast. And when you're just learning the language, especially when you have just started learning this language,